So we are going to learn kinds of nouns. So in nouns we are going to learn what is a common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun and the material noun. So what is a common noun? The common noun is the common name. Common noun is a common name given to persons or things. Given to person or things of the same kind is known as common noun. Example: student, village, hospital, ship. Okay, these are the examples of common noun. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is the special name given to particular persons. A proper noun is the special name given to particular persons or things. It always begins with a capital letter. Proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Example: Master Gupta, Taj Mahal, Jupiter and Snowy. It begins with a capital letter. Now third is an abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is a name given to qualities, feelings, actions or state. Okay? An abstract noun is the name given to qualities, feelings, actions or states. Example: honesty, love, energy, childhood. Example of abstract noun. Now, fourth, what is collective noun? A collective noun is the group name. Collective noun is the group name given to a collection. Group name given to a collection of persons or things. Group name given to a collection of persons or things. Example: crowd, herd, bunch and fleet. What are its examples? Example are crowd, herd, bunch, fleet. Bunch of flowers. Okay, crowd of people. Like this. A material noun. What is a material noun? A material noun is the name given to material things, substance or items of food or drink. A material noun is the name given to material things, substances or items of food or drink. Cotton, tea, copper, maize is an example of material noun. Now, what is countable nouns? Some nouns name things that can be counted. Okay, they are known as countable, which can be counted are known as countable or count nouns. Okay, countable or count nouns. You can use a or an before countable nouns. We can use a or an before countable nouns. Countable nouns can have plural forms. Countable nouns can have plural forms. 1 mango, an ox, 3 doctors, a few coins, many rivers. So here is plural. Okay. Now, what is uncountable noun? Some nouns name things that cannot be counted. So which cannot be counted are known as uncountable or non-count nouns. Uncountable or non-count nouns. You cannot use a or an before uncountable nouns. In countable nouns we can use a or an. And in uncountable nouns you cannot use or an before uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. Uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. You can use much, a little, enough, etc. before uncountable nouns. You can use much, a little, enough, etc. before uncountable nouns. A little salt, some luggage, enough coffee. Okay, these are the example of uncountable nouns. So we have learned kinds of nouns.